Round it. Hey, love is everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bertha, and I know it's been a long time, but that's okay because today we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna install a wig. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I had started a new series called Wigs and Wine, where we drink wine, we kiki, we laugh, and then we install a wig. So wait, let's take a shot. Not a shot, but we're installing a wig today. This wig is a little different. It's a pixie cut wig, 6 inches to be exact. And mind you, I have never worn hair that short that wasn't my hair. The last time my hair was like 6 inches was when I first transitioned in like 2014. I got the wig on Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was like $40. It was $30 and change. So yeah, so I'm excited to see how this goes. I'm going to be filming for Instagram as well. So if you guys see me, like, I'm not cross-eyed, and my mirror, like, I have my big mirror set up, so just don't come for me, okay? But we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna install her up, see what she gives. And I don't know, yeah, so let me show you guys the wig. So this is the bag that the wig came in. Cute bag, regular, standard. In the bag came a wig cap per usual, and then we got some lashes. Out of all the lashes I've ever received from a wig, this is probably the best one. And today I'm not gonna do the wig cap because I just don't know if I'm gonna like it. If I'm being really honest, like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, the look. Oh, and it came with the wig band. Who you know? Like, honestly, this is the first brand that gave me a wig band. Like, oh yes, the brand is WestKiss. So cute. The brand is WestKiss, and it's like super small and tight. We love that. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. But we got a wig band. That's amazing. Love that. Okay, so now let's get into this wig. I'm actually very much excited, but I'm kind of scared because I'm going outside tomorrow. Like, outside for real. So I'm hoping that I can wear it out. I'm like kind of nervous. Okay, so so this is what the wig looks like. So now, okay, wait. I need to drink. It's giving me Ike. It really is. Like, it's giving Ike. But it's movable. The lace is not bad. It's not HD, but it's like a standard. The lace is standard. We not going. It's not that serious. It has combs all around. Standard net thing. Standard. All the pictures that I saw, it's like the girlies, it was like that wet look. Like, it looked like they wetted and then like they did the wet and wavy vibe, and we just had a wet and wavy wig on. So I feel like I could slay this. Like, it's giving auntie for sure, but I feel like that's what a pixie cut is giving auntie. Like, that's just what it is. Either you look good in it or you don't. Like, it is what it is. Like, you know, I'm gonna do a glueless method. So let's get into it. Y'all already know how to put on a wig cap, so don't piss me off. If y'all don't know how to turn on. I'm about to gel down my hair so that I can put this on, and then we're gonna get into the lace, and then boom, it's gonna be real quick and cute. We're not doing the whole 9 yards. We not. I'm getting excited. This is layer 2. Mind you, I have mixed the wig dealer and I mixed the ebon Holden lace gels. Pour some more in my cup, and we're gonna be right back. Perfect. We finna do this. Like, okay. Same thing, just take 2. Okay, gonna make sure all the hairs are out of the way. I'm gonna cut slits in the lace just so it lays down better. It's not like has some little rufflies. I think we gonna see, because I feel like it kind of eats like, and I don't know if this, I don't know what is, I need to calm down. I need to calm down. We're gonna banter for like 20 minutes. I feel like it's kind of giving, it's giving Bobby Brown. It's dead giving Bobby Brown. Like, it's about to piss me off. You know that picture when he's sweating? I ain't have no reason to hot comb this, child. None at all. This is 6 inches of not in my way. Okay. We wasting electricity. We'll do a 1, the heart edges, where you kind of like scoop out a heart. These curls are so cute. Okay. So we're gonna thing her down. Okay. And then we'll come back in 20 minutes. Let's take this off, do our edges, and let's get this show on a roll. Like, let's do it. Ooh, okay. Okay, I gotta pack for the sunshine. All right. This is why. Like, this is why. This is why. Oh my gosh, my camera is dying. Are you fucking serious? Alright, y'all, so my camera did definitely die, and I just decided to edit and just do everything and then record an outro showing you guys a final look. It's really cute. I did mess up cutting the lace. I cut too much in the front, and it exposed my hairline, but I fixed it with my best friend fixed it with a middle edge. And I really like it. Like, I got so many compliments. Everybody loves it. It even made me get a tattoo. Just the vibe it was giving. It was real cute. Definitely go to my next vlog to see how like it was styled and what it gave. I'm gonna link their shop in my bio, in my description. I really love this wig. Thank you, WestKiss, for sending me this hair and allowing me to honestly review it. It's just really cute. Like, it's really that girl. So I'm officially sold. Get you some WestKiss hair, period. Bye guys, love you guys so much.